everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm bringing you guys my Walgreens haul. I actually found some pretty good stuff. It ended up becoming an awesome moneymaker because I had some register rewards that I used towards my purchase. So I was pretty excited to share with you guys what I got. So some of these are great deals and some of them are not the greatest deals, but I don't care. I still wanted to share with you guys. So the Godiva deal is still going strong. So I ended up getting the Godiva Chocolates again. These were $3.50 a piece. So you guys want to use three $1.25 off coupons that we got from sometime in November. And then you also want to have them use the Walgreens booklet. So you guys will have them just scan the booklet once. It comes off 3 times. So you guys would pay $3.75 for 3 bags of chocolates, which I still think is a pretty good deal, even if you guys think about it. So after you guys use that, you guys will end up paying $3.75, but then you guys will get $3.75 CRT, or sorry, I'm getting CVS and Walgreens mixed up, but you guys will get a $3.75 register reward, making them absolutely for free, which I absolutely love. Now, I did not use my CRT from previous transaction to use this because sometimes you can't roll them. So just wanted to give you guys a heads up. If you still have one of those CRTs, do not use it for the Godiva deal again because it will not print. But that's kind of like a secret sale. Don't know how long it's going to last for. So keep doing it until they stop printing. Now, a lot of you guys were saying my register rewards did not print. My register rewards did not print. Okay. The thing is, if your register rewards did not print, there either is something going on with the system, the machine is not working, or something's going on. If you guys don't like it that it didn't print, you guys can either return the items or you can contact the Catalina company and they will send you guys a register reward for that item. I don't know, a lot of you guys are like, my register reward didn't print, my register reward didn't print. Either it was some of those items were not working, every store is different, or the machine is broken. And I've seen that happen many times where stuff didn't print because the machine was broken. So I'm like, can I exchange these and go to a different register? And I tried it again and they print. So just giving you guys a heads up on that. And I usually like going to the photo department or the beauty counter when I do my transactions because I know most of the time those registry reward machines are usually working. So just give you guys a heads up with that. I did the Covergirl Mascara deal. Now, I was trying to figure out, like, what the heck is not on sale, but they didn't have anything, like, written down, so I had to go get an ad. Found out my store is, like, understaffed, and they just didn't have time to put sale up, so they're just kind of behind. I'm like, okay, it makes sense. So I took the ad with me, and I was kind of guessing stuff. But these were $6.29 a piece. You guys want to buy 2 of them and use 2 $3 off coupons that we got from a couple weeks ago. You guys would pay $6.58 for the both of these. But then you guys will get a $5 register reward, making them just $1.58. So if you guys are interested in that, sorry, I got a lot of register rewards. Where'd my register rewards go? No, Benjamin. So I got a $5 register reward for the Covergirl. Okay, so the next deal I ended up getting was the dime tap. Now, I'm an idiot, so hear me out. So these apparently went up in price. They used to be $5.99, but now they're $6.29. So you guys want to use a $1.50 off coupon that I found on the internet. I just go to Lazo and I just type in dime tap and it'll take you there. Plus there is a $2 off digital coupon on the Walgreens website. So you guys can use that. You guys would pay $9.08 for the both of these. Now I thought there's going to be an Ibotta deal for these for $3 off, but it's for the 8 ounces and not the 4 ounces. So I might return these. It was my mistake, but you guys would also get 3,000 points for buying 2 of them. Comes out to be just $6.08. So that comes out to be $3 a piece. Again, not the greatest deal, but it was my mistake, and I just wanted to give you guys a heads up with that. I ended up getting the Crest Toothpaste deal. Now, these were, now make sure you guys scan them, because when I scanned this one, the $2 off coupon never popped up, but when I scanned this one, the $2 off digital coupon popped up. So giving you guys a heads up with that. But you guys want to buy 3 of these for $3.99. You guys want to use a $2 off digital coupon and 2 $1 off coupons. You guys would pay $7.97, but then you guys will get a $6 register reward for buying 3 of them. You guys would just get these for $1.97 or 66 cents a piece. Not the greatest deal, but I still wanted to share it with you guys because I haven't gotten toothpaste for a while, so definitely wanted to share with you guys with the toothpaste deal. I ended up getting Pantene. Okay, so now there is a deal. Now my store didn't have these marked, and I'm just like, okay. Now there is a deal online where you guys can buy 6 of them and you get $12 off, or was it $12 off? $10 off. But you only get still 1 register reward, so it's cheaper doing the three individual ones. So these were 3 for $12. You guys want to use that 5 off of 3 digital coupon. You guys would pay $7 for the 3 of these, but then you guys will get $3 back in a register reward, making these just $4 or $1.33. So if you guys like $1.33 a piece, it's an okay deal. Like I said, I haven't gotten shampoo and conditioner for a while, so I definitely wanted to share with you guys on that deal. There was a couple other deals that I wanted to do, but my store didn't have anything marked, and I'm just like, what is up with this? So I had to just kind of guess, but I am going to Walgreens again later this week, but it's not for couponing, it's for something else. Sorry, my throat is just irritating me. I wanted to get the Hot Wheels cars. They're on sale right now for 69 cents, but my store didn't have them marked, and I'm like, I'll get them later on. So, and they didn't have any good cars I really wanted, but for 69 cents, that is a great price if you guys are interested in that. Great for stocking stuffers or just giving them away for Toys for Tots. Go for it. Any kid will love Hot Wheels. So, I'm out of breath again. General Mills cereals, 2 for $4. I had to guess this, but I got it correct. So 2 for $4. We have $1 off a 2 coupon. Now there is a digital coupon, and there's also a paper coupon that you guys can print from coupons.com. You guys would end up paying $3 for 2 boxes of cereal, but then you guys can also submit $1 off a 2 rebate from Saving Star if you guys haven't done that already. So you guys will end up getting each box for $1, and I like it when I can get a box of cereal for $1. So I definitely wanted to do that. I did get a coupon that printed off, but it's save $1.50 when you buy 3. So I think that's a pretty good coupon, but not going to use that for a while. So definitely wanted to get some of the Lucky Charms. So I think I did pretty good. Now I did pay with some of my register rewards that I got from last week because I have a ton of $10 register rewards. So my total ended up coming to $7.48. Now please keep in mind I get an employee discount. My husband works for the company. He works through the distribution center, so I get 15% off everything I purchase from the store. I ended up receiving $10 worth of points. I had a $7 Catalina that I got. I had a $7 in rewards when you spend 25 Catalina, which I got another one that printed off. So I got $10 worth of points, and $3,000 was from the Dime Tap. I got $17.75 back with register rewards. That's what this whole pile I got. So I'm really loving the register rewards because if I'm not getting points, I'd rather get register rewards. So, and I'm trying to get register rewards to pay with points or to get points just to boost up my system. So we'll see how that goes. I ended up getting $1 back from Save the Star. So I wish I got my $6 back from Dime Tap or from Ibotta, but again, it was the wrong size. So my mistake, and it's not a big deal for that. So my grand total came to $21.27 Moneymaker. So I got everything for free. Even without those two $10 registry rewards that I used to pay for, I actually got everything for free anyways. So I'm going to try to do the Godiva deal one more time. I think I have enough coupons left for that. So when I go back to the store this week to get some, I get a bonus. I get a Christmas bonus with my husband's discount. So I'm going to take advantage of that. And I think I might do the Godiva deal again if I can. So we'll see how that goes. But yeah, that was my haul. Wasn't much. Oh, sorry, you guys. My throat is just irritating me. It wasn't much, but I did think I got a lot of stuff. Better than what I've gotten in the past, so I'm pretty excited about that. But you guys know what to do. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already, and I will see you guys later. I might show you guys my haul that I do. I'm just going to get some like Christmas items and stuff because I get a certain percentage, so I'm excited to get that. It's mostly just Christmas stuff, so just wanted to share with you guys on that. I hope you guys have a lovely day, and I'll see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.